Okay, here we have some problems about adding and subtracting and multiplying fractions. And this may be review for you. You probably learned how to do this once before, but it's something a lot of people have trouble with, and so it's good to refresh ourselves on it. The thing to remember about adding and subtracting is that the denominators have to be the same. So if you don't have denominators that are the same, you've got to do something to make them the same. Luckily for us in these problems, our denominators are the same. I have 7/11ths plus 1/11th. All I have to do is add across the top numbers, 7 plus 1, that's 8, and put it over the denominator that they both share. So it's 8/11ths. And this makes sense. If you have 7/11ths and then you get one more 11th, you'd have 8/11ths. All right, let's look at the next one. 6/7 minus 5/7. Again, with subtraction, just like with addition, you have to have the denominators that are the same. We do, lucky us. So 6 minus 5, you subtract across the top here. That's 1, and put it over the same denominator that they all share. And that makes sense. If you have 6/7 and you take away 5 of them, you just have 1/7 left. Now, multiplication is different from addition and subtraction, and I think it's easier because it doesn't matter whether you have the same denominator or not. You always do the same thing with multiplication. You multiply across the top and you multiply across the bottom, and voila, that's your answer. So we'll do that. 4 times 4 is 16. 7 times 5 is 35. And then you want to check, can I simplify this at all? Is there any factor that I could take out of the top and the bottom? Factors on the top are 2 and 4 and 8, and factors on the bottom are 5 and 7. I don't think we can simplify that, so that looks like our answer, 16/35. So that's a little review about adding, subtracting, and multiplying fractions.